Hello everyone, hope we are all fine and okay. And we have this job came in from one of our customer. This is some kind of cheap phone. It's an Itel A16 plus. Let me just cross check. Itel A16 plus. Yeah, that's the model of this Itel. And what the customer is saying, he's saying the phone is coming on, but it's displaying white screen. So let's see. Let's wait. You see, that's the problem with this phone. The screen is white, no writing. So what kind of fault is this? Do you have a fault screen, or something is not right here? Yeah, the phone is just displaying white. So do you have any fault LCD, or we have something else? Let's get inside this phone quickly. Let's get inside this phone quickly. Yeah, that's what you come across, especially if you are in a technician in a country like Zimbabwe. Trust me, if I avoid such kind of jobs, probably you lose a lot of money, because 80% of the population, they are losing this kind of cheap phones. So there's no way I can avoid this. I can't. That's the thing. It's about country. I wish if I was in a better country where most of the technicians, they are fixing like iPhones, MacBooks. I do fix those devices, but the rate at which I'm receiving such kind of devices here is very low. It's very low. So the issue, if we are fixing such kind of things, because obviously we can't charge the customer too much money here. So we should not take too much time here. Otherwise, it won't be profitable anymore. Taking like 30 minutes fixing such kind of thing, obviously they will pay less. So if they will pay less, it means the time we must take to fix this should be very small. I'm trying to take out this plastic thing, the back cover. So we're going to start. If the phone is displaying white screen, I'll focus on the screen connector. I think that the way we must focus. Otherwise, all other parts of the board, because I can't see any sign of water damage. But let's check together under microscope what's going on here. So let's see under microscope. Let's see what do we have here. Let's just inspect the whole body. Okay. Okay. This is the screen connector. That's the screen connector. So what I want to do, is very simple. It's very simple what we want to do here. Let's disconnect this. Otherwise, the connector looks okay. Okay. I think all what we need is to clean that connector. What do you think? We need just to clean that connector and see what's going on here. Because I'm doubting if the screen is faulty. I'm doubting if the screen is faulty. Now looks better. Now looks better. So let's put back the connector. I think we are ready to test. Let's see now. Let's see now. After cleaning, do we now have a working phone? That's very important. On. Oh, still white screen. You know what? Let's check out the engine quickly. I think we need to check something more. Let's check out the engine. What I would do, I'll plug in the charger here. Let's plug the charger and let's go back under microscope and check further. So our engine is plugged on charger. You can see this charger is plugged in on charger, and that is screen connector here. We clean the screen connector, and what I want to check, if we have voltage going to the plus of the battery. If our charger is good, you can't see because the multimeter is on screen, is not on the screen. .4, or I can bring the multimeter on the screen. 1 second. Multimeter on the screen. Let's check again if the 5 volts is passing from the charging port to the plus terminal. Check on the screen. 4.05 volts. Okay. The next step, here we do have a screen connector. Let's go on the other side of the screen connector. The other side of the board, sorry, was here. Is the screen ribbon cable connector. On the other side, we do have the mic, our microphone, and we have some components here. These components, they are on the other side of the screen connector. So what do we have here? Can you spot something? What voltage do we have here? Here 0. On those resistors 0. The other side of the resistor 0. Okay. We have few tiny components here. We have that capacitor 0. The other side 0. We have another capacitor 0. The other side 0. The other side 0. Like the voltage is fluctuating. Why? .85. Yeah, the voltage seems to be fluctuating. Or my probes, they are not touching properly. Sorry. We are checking here on this small capacitor, this one, and on the big capacitor, both sides, we have 0. Okay. Here we have like few test points. 0. The other side is 0. This one 0.87 fluctuating. The other side is 0. Why? You can see that can explain why we have a white screen. We don't have step of voltage here. Why this voltage is fluctuating? Okay, I'll disconnect the charger. Diode mode. Let's check. Maybe we have a short. This is ground. This is plus. The capacitor is good. What about this one? This one good. Here I checked, there was 1.87. The other side is not ground. This side is not ground. So logical speaking, I'm sure something, I think here it was meant to have like a component which is missing here. Here it's meant to have like a component, because if on the other side we have a 1.87, the other side is not ground, we don't have voltage, it means something is not right. So let's do something here. Let's do something. Let's do a trick here, because I don't know what kind of component was there. Maybe that was a resistor, that was a fuse. But the thing is, the component is not there. It's missing. That is a very big problem. That is a very big problem. Let's try and do something here. The problem, the place is very small. So Let's check some voltage now after we have bridged. What kind of voltage do we now have? Okay. Let's see. Let's test and see if this is giving us any result. Let's check now. Let's check now. Let's see now. Let's see now. Do we have a working phone or not? That's the most important thing. No need for screws yet. On. And our phone is working fine. You see? You see the Itel? We no longer having like a white screen. So I think from this video you can learn something, because most of the technicians, when they see white screen, the next thing what they do, they'll condemn the screen. Let me check out reflection. Yeah, our phone is working fine. There's user password here. The touchpad is working, everything is working. So basically, you know how you can take out the white screen from any Android phone. It's not always the case that you have a fault screen. You have to check so many things there. In our case, there was white screen because on the other side of the motherboard, I think there was a fuse. You know, phone boards has 10 components, so it's very easy if maybe this phone has been fixed somewhere and the component just blown up. Maybe someone was trying to fix something there, and that fuse is meant to transfer the voltage, probably because we have the voltage for the backlights, we have other signals there to bring the screen to life. So I think that was the case here, but I'm happy our phone is fixed. Despite that we take too much time there than the required time. Yeah, the phone is still on. You can see it's still on. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you on the next replay. Bye.